to make a treasure box with 6 squares and some triangles. Okay, so now I'm going to use some squares. Now I'm done making my box. Now I'm going to keep few toys in it.
Can you turn it and show it to me?
Yes.
Like rotate it? Good. What shape is this, Ananya?
A hexagon.
Good. Why do you call it as a hexagon?
It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Excellent.
I'm going to keep some stuff in here.
Okay. Good. Can you close it?
Yes.
Can we open this from the top?
Yes, I think. But we have to be careful.
Okay, that's great. I think that's enough.
Here.
Good.
I'll close it back now.
Yes. Good job, Ananya.
Thank you.